there, I just wanted to show you my latest jujube bag. This is the Be Light bag and the print is called Sakura Swirl and it is very pretty. These straps have some light padding in them, so even if you pack it pretty heavy, it's still going to be quite comfortable on your shoulder. When you have this packed, it stands up on its own, otherwise it's just a floppy tote bag. There's one main zippered compartment and two bottle pockets in the front which are insulated and go all the way down the length of the bag. On one side I keep my kids' water bottles. I had two of these in there. On the other side I have my umbrella. It has been raining continuously here. I usually keep my phone on this side as well. There are no other external pockets, so let's go on to the inside now, and I have this packed for a day out with my 8-year-old and my 3-year-old. It is kind of a bucket style, but it's pretty easy to keep organized. Right on top I have my Filofax Saffiano, which I use as my wallet. Next I have my wipe pouch, which has some wipes, a packet of snacks. I have a pack of wafers which we actually ate through yesterday. I have a tube of M&Ms. My 8-year-old is a reader and she loves Nancy Drew, so I have one of these in there. And my 3-year-old is at an age that she just has to imitate her sister all the time, so this is her book. I also have a small Ziploc bag full of crayons, and I make these tiny booklets from plain paper. I just fold it over and staple it kind of to bind it, and they each get a small book to write in or draw in or color in, whatever they would like. In here I have my jujube Be Quick. Now my 3-year-old has managed to potty train herself, but I do carry this around. You never know when there's an accident or if we're out somewhere and we don't have access to a good toilet, then I would just put her in a nappy. I like to have this on me even though I've never had to use it till now. I have a change of clothes for my 3-year-old, a diaper, disposable change pad, a towel, a Huggies Clutch and Clean with some wipes, a jujube light change pad, and in the zipper pocket I have trash bags, soap, and some cream. At the very bottom I have this little pouch that has my headphones, and I also have my charging block and also the cable that goes with that. The only internal organization in this bag is this long zipper along the back, and in there I have a napkin for mommy. This is my med kit. I know it looks really small, but I have everything I could ever need. I have an inhaler, a Neosporin spray, and inside I have band-aids, ointments, medicines for me, and chewable tablets for my kids. I have an alcohol-free spray sanitizer, and this is supposed to keep your hands sanitized for 24 hours after you spray it on. This is a tissue holder that I made and I have some tissues in there. I have a little trash bag. This is an antihistamine for my youngest who has a couple of allergy issues. And that is everything that I had inside of this bag. As you can see, once I took everything out, it is a very floppy bag. And that also makes it very light and it's very easy to carry around. I used to use a Hobobe that had amazing organization, but I always had something that I had to stuff in at the last moment and there just wasn't enough room, and this is perfect for that. So if you're looking for a lightweight bag, I highly recommend this one. I hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.